Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to count the number of words in a text file. Let us first look at a text file that we have called file.txt. As you can see, you can count the number of words manually in a small file like this one. But what if it was a case of a large file with thousands of words in it? It would be a waste of time. In such cases, you need to use the wc command with the W option provided by Linux. What you do is basically type wc space -w space file name and hit enter. The results contain a number on the left that shows you the number of words inside the file name, which is mentioned on the right. If you liked my video, please click on the bell icon and subscribe button to get further notifications of my subsequent videos on Linux basic commands. Thank you.